Now what I want to do is install the test kit to the system under test. So let me expand the install tests. You want to run these individually rather than running them as a group, so you need to expand it, and now I'll click on Install Kit. And what this does is it goes out and it tries to detect a system with an IP address of 10.1.1, and my system under test is already configured that way, so it found it and has already started copying. If it could not find that particular IP address, it would show a list of all the IP addresses on that network and allow you to choose which one is the correct address. If you see a warning, just press Enter to continue. Okay, here it gives a list of the LAN adapters in the system under test, and it shows what the configuration is. If you agree with this configuration, you'll type C to continue. If you need to make any edits, choose which adapter you want to edit. In this case, it would be 0, and you would type that here. I don't want to make any edits, so I'm just going to type C and press Enter to continue. Okay, everything tested out okay, so the test kit installation is complete. So here you just press Enter to exit the install script. Next, we want to verify the kit installation is the correct version. So we'll double click on SCK version check test. And that comes back as a pass. So the test kit installation is complete and verified.